friends, thank you so much for your purchase. And if you just found this video and you're in need of help, you're in the right place. Let's walk through how to edit your Canva template quickly and easily like a pro. If you purchase this template from my shop, check your downloaded PDF for the Canva link. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Use Template for New Design to start editing. Here's a quick look at basic editing. To customize your template, just select an element and pick any color you'd like. Reverse the changes you made by clicking the back button. To change the font, select your text, open the font menu, and choose a new style. The hard part is already done. The fonts, animations, settings, and layout are all pre-designed to stay beautiful as you personalize your template. To personalize text, just click on any text box and start typing your details. Be sure to include names, dates, and other event information. To add a photo, choose your image, then drag and drop it into the frame. They'll resize automatically. I've already set up the fonts, colors, and layout so everything looks polished. All you need to do is add your info, update any other text, repeat the process for each page, and that's it. When you're done, click Share, save your project as an MP4, download, and share it with friends and family. The finished product should look something like this. Check the links in the description to purchase this template or browse my full collection. If you'd rather not edit it yourself, I offer an editing service where I'll do the editing and send you the final product. Thanks so much for watching and happy editing.